All right, hey guys, how's it going? Today, I got a camera, the Blink X2, in the mail, and I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what's in it. Let's see. Let's take it to this guy right here. Get the knife out, and let's cut that mother sucker open. All right. Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, I guess that is all the way. All right, cool. So I bought these refurbished for like $103. They retail for $246. Yeah, and the funny thing is, I know I'm gonna be jumping all over the place, but I bought two of these, right? One was for my neighbor. He wanted some, so I charged him 200, even though they cost me 190. Sorry, $102 each. So I made a little profit on that. So these were basically free. So that's how I'm rolling. That's how I'm rocking. But yeah, you get three of these bad boys here. You get one. I'll put it on the side so you guys can see. These are actually a lot smaller than I thought. You know, in the images, they look huge, but these are like palm size, dude, baby. All right, I'll put it on the side here. Oh, this one has the back to it. Interesting. Where are the backs? Oh, there they are. Hopefully I didn't mess up the seal, because these have a seal back there somewhere. There you go, cool. So that's gonna be snapped onto the pieces here. Perfect, okay, cool. We get a bunch of bull. That's what it is. That's what it is. You get batteries. That's pretty dope. It comes with everything. Nah, I'm gonna just dump them. Fuck it. Alright. Uh-oh. Cool, so you're getting all this stuff here. It's gonna look messy, so prepare yourself, guys. So anyways, today, man, a homie of mine, a friend, invited me to go get something to eat. And yeah, man, we were chilling. I appreciate it. So if he's watching this, man, this video's for you, bro. Appreciate the support, you know what I mean? So this camera thing comes with some cables. Not sure what for. I'm assuming it's gonna be for this guy, right? Damn, this is tiny. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger. Oh, so I was told that the video recording can be saved onto the cloud via Wi-Fi, or you can put a USB stick in here. I think it was storage up to 256 gigs, and it can record and save everything onto that USB drive, so you can take stuff off of the internet. I'm not sure yet. I need to find out, but that's interesting. That's the one reason why I bought this, because you can download everything locally instead of keeping it into the cloud. So yeah, and because they're tiny. Look at this. These are freaking small. All right, and then you get this wall charger as well. Open it up. Nope, that's it. All right, well that's it, you guys. That's the open box. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oops, sorry about that noise. And yeah, there you go. Actually, yeah, that's it. I was gonna put everything together, but it's all gravy. You know, you get the booklet and whatnot. I don't know if you guys want to see that. I mean, if you guys need to see the booklet, let me know. I'll record that for you. But yeah, thank you for purchasing the Blink X2. And then you get a sticker. Let me see if you can see it. Blink. Okay, cool. Letting people know that you have a camera. Awesome. You know what? Before I end that video, I know there's a bunch of weirdos that like this, so I'm gonna do it. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's the peeling of the plastic. Some people like it, so let's peel it. Zoom in. Uh-oh. That's nice. Next. Next. All right, you guys, here you go. Hopefully you guys like that ending. Getting used to it. So if you guys didn't like it, you know, let me adapt and grow there. All right, you guys. See ya.